Today, we are going to talk about how to make a real-time reflecting mirror in the EV engine through this Blender Quick Works. Using this demo scene, let's create a real-time reflective mirror. This mesh is what we are going to turn into a mirror. Now let's create a reflective material for this mesh. Now you can make the material for the mirror by setting the roughness value of this shader to 0 and its metallic value to 1. This is the reflective material used for mirrors, but here the mirror does not reflect this sphere and other objects in the scene. But you can see that only the area light is reflected on the mirror. Let us now see how to solve this problem. The first step is to enable screen space reflections in the render properties. After enabling it, you can see that the created mirror reflects what exists in the scene. But you can see that this reflection does not work properly in the mirror. Even if you change the options in screen space reflections, you will not get a successful mirror reflection. The reflection plane is a tool introduced to the EV engine for this reflection issue. This problem can be solved using this tool. Now let's see how to set this probe to the mirror. All we have to do first is to set the reflection plane correctly on the position of this mirror. After that, move the probe slightly out of this mirror. As you move, you can see that the mirror is starting to reflect the scene. To further increase the clarity of this mirror reflection, the half-resolution trace in screen space reflections must be disabled. Right now, you know how to create a mirror that reflects real-time in the Blender EV engine. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon on the side and select all. This will allow you to receive notifications for future uploads. If this video helps your Blender work in any way, don't forget to comment on how. If you have any other issues with this video, please comment as well. And if you would like to support us, please share this video with the Blender users you know. Learn with IBN.